Hey there, car enthusiasts! Today we're diving into the refreshed 2025 Hyundai Tucson. Buckle up as we explore whether this stylish compact SUV has what it takes to stand out in a crowded segment. Let's start with the looks. Hyundai's given the Tucson a mid-cycle facelift, and I've got to say, it's a head-turner. The updated grille and bumpers enhance its already distinctive styling. Sure, some might find it a bit busy, but in a sea of cookie-cutter crossovers, the Tucson definitely stands out. New wheel designs complete the exterior updates, keeping things fresh 4 years into this generation. Alright, let's talk performance. The Tucson keeps its 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, pumping out 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with an 8-speed automatic, and you can choose between front-wheel or all-wheel drive. Now, I'll be honest, it's not exactly a thrill ride. We clocked a 0-60 time of 8.8 seconds for the all-wheel drive model. That's adequate. The Tucson could really use a more powerful engine option to keep up with some of its peppier competitors. But here's the silver lining. The ride is smooth and comfortable. Road noise? Minimal. The suspension? It soaks up bumps like a champ. Handling is confident, if not sporty. For daily driving and road trips, it's a pleasant companion. Now let's hop in and check out the interior. And wow, this is where the Tucson really shines. The cabin is surprisingly spacious, offering more room for passengers and cargo than many rivals. Materials? Top-notch, especially in the higher trims. It's giving me near luxury vibes. The big news for 2025 is the updated infotainment system. Higher trims now rock a sleek single-housing setup combining a digital gauge cluster with a large touchscreen. It's a tech lover's dream. Even the lower trims get a generous 12.3-inch touchscreen, so no one's missing out. Now, about those MPGs. The EPA rates the front-wheel drive Tucson at 25 mpg city and 32 mpg highway. Sounds good, right? Well, in our real-world testing, we only managed 26 mpg on the highway. That's a bit disappointing for a modern compact SUV. If fuel economy is a top priority, you might want to check out the hybrid or plug-in hybrid versions. Hyundai continues to impress with its feature set. Even base models come loaded with goodies like wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, plus a whole suite of driver assistance features. Move up the trim levels, and you'll find luxuries like a digital key, Bose audio system, and even more advanced driver aids. Let's talk money. The 2025 Tucson starts at $29,750. That's competitive for the segment. Want my advice? Check out the SL trim with the convenience package. For about $34,000, you're getting a great balance of features and value. It's not the cheapest option out there, but considering the style, space, and features, it's a solid deal. So what's the final word on the 2025 Hyundai Tucson? It's a solid all-rounder in the compact SUV segment. The stylish design, upscale interior, and generous feature set make it an attractive option for many buyers. However, the lackluster powertrain and disappointing real-world fuel economy hold it back from true greatness. If you prioritize comfort, space, and technology over driving excitement, the Tucson is definitely worth a look. Just don't expect it to set your heart racing on twisty back roads. With a more potent engine option, the Tucson could be a real segment shaker. As it stands, it's a competent and appealing choice, if not quite best in class. We're giving it a solid 7.5 out of 10. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car reviews and automotive news. Until next time, happy driving! Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.